You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Today is going to be day 3 of the room makeover. I will be closing up a small gap in my floor right here. I will be using this windowsill film, and I will be putting that up to the windows today. And I bought a beautiful rug to match my curtains. I just came back from shopping and look what I found. And it was only, can you see that? $16.99. Now guys, I hope, I just took it out the bag, and I got it from Burlington's, and I seen something online that looked like this, but I also remember seeing something like this in the different stores that I go to. I'm planning on putting that on my chandelier in the cellar. So, let's see if it fits. So guys, to decorate my house, I use a whole bunch of unorthodox things that you would not think to use in different places. And I'm telling you, it will give your whole house a different look if you just think outside the box. Now, I do not like the ceiling fan at all. And when I saw this beautiful crystal here at Burlington's, I said, I want to see if this is going to fit. This fitted perfectly around that bowl in the ceiling, on that ceiling fan. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're not ready to switch out your ceiling fan or any other light fixture, this can go on a lamp. This can go in different areas and in different rooms in your home, and you can even make it out of a wall sconces. So let's see how this turned out. It's up there. Now guys, didn't that chandelier turn out beautiful? Well look, I am trying to have privacy, okay? But I do like the sun shining through my window every morning. So I went to Walmart and I got some window seal, okay? Now this is like, it will give you privacy. No one can see in, but the sun can still come in, but you will have privacy if you like having your windows up. Now, only thing you see me doing here is just measuring out my window. I have it up here and we're measuring out the window, we're lining it out, and we are going to cut it. Now guys, to apply this, it is real simple. It is very simple. Just watch. And also guys, towards the end of the video, another video will be coming up to show you a different room that I have done in my home that you are going to absolutely love, and I did it all on a budget. So if you are enjoying this video thus far, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you will not miss my next video. So we got our stencil cut. If I wanted to, I can put this up to the other paper and cut out some more squares, but I'm gonna do them individually. So I windows are clean. And what we're gonna do is just wet it. Tells you to peel right here. One side is gonna be like rough, the other side is gonna be smooth. The directions is on the box, so we're just gonna peel this and put it up to our window. Okay guys, I absolutely love this stuff. Now I got this window covering from Walmart, and they have a whole lot of different ones to decorate any room that you want in your home. Now I love it because it is so easy to apply, guys, and it really does give you privacy. It decorates your home so nicely. Now I am going to give you an important tip on how to cut this, how to apply it, something that you probably wouldn't have done when you first tried to apply this paper, but I absolutely love it. So keep watching. See, I said I overcut it, right? And only overcut it by a little bit. Do you know that this was able to fit into the seams of my window? Only thing I gotta do now is squeeze it down. Now guys, let me tell you, you do not want to be a prisoner of your decorating style. Now although these curtains are beautiful, I like having gaps in my curtains. And these are blackout curtains. I got these from TJ Maxx. But you see how I have the spaces between my curtains? Well, I know I could put sheer curtains up there, but that didn't give me the privacy that I was desiring. So by putting that window film up to my window, guys, it has allowed me to decorate the way I want to decorate. And I ended up taking these curtains down, putting up sheer curtains, because that is what I wanted up to my window in the first place. So keep watching. Guys, if you have not yet, go check out my curtain hack. It's a hack that makes your curtains look more expensive. Whereas the walls are painted, the chandelier is in, and the film is on the windows. The film is on the windows. The only thing I have to do now is fill in where to stain my floors where I filled them in at. Yesterday, put down my rug, and now get accent pieces. Now, let me show you the floor. Guys, all where you see blue tape at is where I had to fill in spots on my floor. See that? Because the wood has split. You know, the wood has separated and everything. So, I am loving this. So I'm going to fill those in, let that dry. Then I'm going to come back and mop and wax. And I'm about to finish my floor. I filled it in with the wood filler.
It's dry.
Because we have put in wood filler in that little area where my floor has separated, um, you want to sand it down, and that's the reason why I have it taped off. I would suggest that you do that so you won't remove any of the stain from the surrounding area. And what you see me using here is a stain marker from the Dollar Tree. Now, guys, don't get it twisted. That thing works well, and you get like 4 in the pack. But I also going to tell you, when you use it, wipe it. Apply it, wipe it, and you'll get the best results from that. You'll see in a moment. All right, guys, well, this is how the area turned out. Be looking out for more little hints and tricks and decorating ideas that I have coming your way, guys. Thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. You guys are the best. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell down below so you will not miss my next decorating video, guys. And until next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. Know that I appreciate you guys, and I'm going to see you in the next video.
Then get up, get dressed before work's off my list.